So I'm going to explain this on the board as well. I'm going to take a video for the people who are not here. So what we do here is we replace x with the value that is given to us. So that's going to be 2 over 3 times negative 3, take away 4. How do we multiply fractions by wholes? So basically, if I look at this, that's 2 over 3 times negative 3, and then take away 4. That negative 3 is a whole number, so it's divided by 1. It's an invisible 1. I don't need to have it there. But I will put it there just so I can simplify. When I'm multiplying fraction by a fraction, I multiply top by top by the bottom, right? So if I multiply 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6 over 3, take away 4. Now I can simplify. Negative 6 over 3 is negative 2. Take away 4, that gives me a total of negative 6. So every time I want to do this, I have to follow that process. So in the case of the 0, what's negative 2 over 3 times 0? Anything times 0 is 0. Take away 4, gives you negative 4. My next one is going to be 2 over 3 times 3. Now that 3, again, I can put it over 1 because it's a whole. And then take away 4. What happens when I multiply 2 by the 3? 2 times 3 is 6 over 3. What's 6 over 3? 2. 2 take away 4?
Negative 2.
That's negative 2. I'm going to explain one more time with the last one. So I have 2 over 3 times 6 minus 4. So 2 over 3 times 6, that's 6 over 1. Any whole number is divided by 1. Take away 4. Multiply top by top, so that gives me 12 over 3 times 1 is 3. What's 12 divided by 3? So that's 4 minus 4 is 0. So my point is 6, 0. Now I found my points that belong to this equation. I have to put them on the graph. So my first point is negative 3, negative 2. So I have to go on the negative 3 on the x-axis. And I have to go down 2. So this is where the negative 3 is on the x-axis. If I go down 2, that brings me down to this point right here. My next point is 0, negative 4. There's something not right about this.
No, it was
It's supposed to be negative 6 right here. Yeah. So let's negative 3 go all the way down to negative 6. 0, so that's at the origin, and then go down to negative 4. Then I go to 3 and go down to negative 2. And then 6 and stay at 0. Can you guys help me find the slope of this? How? So what would, yeah, I make a triangle, let's try. So let's make the triangle. So I made a triangle between 2 points, right? What's your rise? You're going up by how much? 2.
negative.
No, 2,
Okay, 2.
right? You're going up, right? So you're going up by 2?
Yes.
And what's your run? How much are you going over by? 3. So what's your slope?
3.
2 over 3. Rise? Because rise over run. Right? So my rise is 2 and my run is 3. Do you see this anywhere in your equation? Look at your equation.
Yes.
Where?
The
The number before what?
coefficient.
The coefficient of x. So, what effect does the coefficient of x have on the slope of the line? It is the slope. So that coefficient of the x, the number that comes right before the x, is the slope of the line.
Is that just continuous or is that every time?
It's every time. Let's do that. Let's look. Let's find out if it's actually going to work every time. I want you to go back to the previous page. And let's look at this. This line right here, increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. We know that it's decreasing because from left to right, it's going downhill. Good. Take 2 points on the graph. And let's see what happens. What's my rise? What's my run? So I'm going to draw the triangle. How much am I going down by? 1, 2, 3. So my rise is 3. But am I going down 3 or up 3? Down. So my rise is negative 3. Okay? What's my run?
2.
1.
It's just going up over 1, right? See that? So it's 1. So my slope is rise over run, which is negative 3 over 1, which is the same thing as writing just negative 3. Do you see the match? Do the same thing for the previous one, for the top